In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom shape in Figma. We'll walk through a simple workflow that starts in your workspace and ends with a clean, styled custom shape you can reuse in your designs. First, head to figma.com in your browser. Once you're in, find the All Projects area, usually in the left sidebar. This is where all your files live, so it's the best place to keep things organized. Open the project where you want to work so you're on a canvas and ready to draw. Next, look for the shape tools in the top toolbar. This is where you can choose rectangles, lines, arrows, stars, and more. For a quick starting point, pick the ellipse tool and place an ellipse on your page. Click and drag to draw it. If you want a perfect circle, hold Shift as you drag. This base shape is useful as a reference or as part of a more complex design. Now, to truly create a custom shape, switch to the pen tool. Use it to click and plot points around the form you want. Click once for sharp corners or click and drag to pull handles and create smooth curves. Continue placing points until you close the path. If you need to refine it, use the selection tool to adjust individual points and handles so the shape feels balanced and intentional. Highlight your work by dragging a selection box over the shapes you want to focus on. This makes it easy to move them together, align them, or apply consistent styling in one go. For quick access to a foundational geometry, press M on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. This is handy when you need a fast reference box or an additional base element to finish the composition. You can combine it with the ellipse or your custom path to refine the silhouette. With your custom shape selected, apply color. In the right-hand panel, open Fill and choose a color that fits your design. You can adjust opacity, add gradients, or tweak the stroke in the stroke section for an outline. Keep contrast and accessibility in mind if this shape will be used in interfaces. Finally, separate the custom shapes so each element is independent. If they're grouped, ungroup them. If they're overlapping, move them apart on the canvas so you can work on each one freely. This gives you full control to edit, reuse, or export elements individually. And that's it, clean, flexible custom shapes in Figma, ready for your next design.